Hi dearest, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this lovely, pretty, large braided hairband. You can see there's a little bit of difference in mine. I have mine stoned. Now this, I went through a lot of processes, and don't worry, as we go about, I would let you know. But before we get into that, to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. Okay, so first thing I did was to get the small piece that I was going to use to cover my elastic band. But I won't tell you the measurement, although you're looking at it. Why? Because I didn't finally make use of it. Alright, so you can see when you're trying to do some things what happens. But this elastic band, okay, yeah, this is your 1 inch elastic band. And I was trying to show you how you know what to cover it up, but it didn't work. Then I made use of 7 inches, so that's a 1 inch band by 7 inch. Now here are all the strips of the material. Actually, the client gave me the material to use, and I just cut out 3 strips. Now, if you want to have that size that you saw on that lady, the measurement you need is 5 inches. That's your width, as you can see, and then I'll measure the full length that I used, and this full length I didn't finally use all really. So the main thing, whatever you have, just by the time you're weaving it, you would know where to stop. Now this was 58, but I didn't use 58. I think I finally used 48 or 36. I measured it and dropped it somewhere. Anyways, now what I finally used to put inside to custom foam was fiber. I actually tried also with foam, but foam was not going to give me that shape. Now you need to stay to the end of the video because I will tell you some other tips which you need to know. Now here is, I've already sewn it together, do you understand, to form the what do you call it, to form this pipe stuff, and I'm stuffing it with foam. Now what I did initially was I stuffed it really tight and firm, pushing the foam really deep inside. That's what I did to all of them, and I was like, okay, let me just do a little bit and try and see how it's coming out. Now also, before I get into that, let me tell you something else. Now, to be able to stuff this at the quickest amount of time you can, because it really takes time, the best is to do both sides. Stuff it from one side and stuff it from the other side. So that's from the left and the right, and it tends to, when you do it that way, you tend to complete it on time. If you start stuffing it from one side through the whole length, my sisters, my brothers, I don't know how long it would take you. So here it is. Now what I did was I loosened it. Can you see it's no longer tight? So I didn't tighten the fiber inside it anymore. I made it loose. Now when you make it loose, you would have just exactly what you saw in the thumbnail, how it looked on that lady. It looked fantastic, isn't it? So that's what you're going to do. You make it loose, don't tighten it. So now you get your 3 layers like this. You sew it and you sew your elastic band. Forget about covering it like this. It didn't work for me, but if it works for you, oh well and good, do let me know in my channel. So now I have woven it already. If you don't know how to weave, I will drop the link to the video that I wove padded. Yeah, that was a padded pulley. I will drop that link for you in the description so you can get to know how to weave it. But when you're weaving this, you weave it loosely, not tight, loose. I think I did that in the tailor's place, so I couldn't record it. So now I'm stoning it. I wanted it to have, a touch of class. No, the lady looks classy in front, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted something unique, to put the vintage in it. So first of all, I used the stones and I covered all the lines. First of all, those sewings, it showed a bit then, and I'll start dazzling it around, but still making this straight lines like that, following the curves. What do you think about it? If you loved this video, please, oh yeah, before I get to that, this is how it finally turned out. I was running. Okay, so you can see how it's loose and it really looks gorgeous. Really, really, really does look gorgeous. So you weave it loosely, not tightly. That's another way of getting it. If you didn't get it, do let me know in the comment section below, then I'll try and do a video. But if you enjoyed this video and you gained value, do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, what you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And then check out this next video, which would help you if you didn't know how to weave. All right, dears, have a great day.